Good afternoon, my beautiful family and friends, and welcome to Coco's Cucina. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and thank you for being the subscribers that you are. If you have not already clicked the subscribe button, guys, now is a great time to go ahead and do so. Don't forget to click the notification bell. It will remind you of any new and upcoming videos that are released. So without any further ado, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on this video. We are going to do our fresh green beans, guys, sweetened green beans. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I've already washed my green beans and I've already cut my green beans. So to the pot, guys, we're going to add our garlic oil. We're going to add a little bit of sugar. And we're going to add a little bit of pepper and the pink Himalaya salt. Okay, once that has all been added to the pot, we'll go ahead and let that simmer for just a few minutes. Once it comes to a little slight boil, then we'll go ahead and get it mixed up just so that it could, everything could just be mixed up together, right? So once everything has been mixed up together, guys, now you go ahead and add your fresh green beans to the pot. And basically you just kind of want to get those a nice little sear real quick. So once all of your green beans are added, you're going to go ahead, guys, and get your vegetable broth out. So now, guys, what we're going to do, I've added just a few potatoes just for a little bit of starch in my new potatoes. In my fresh green beans, I like to add the new potatoes. So I do go ahead and peel mine, cut them up, and then just go ahead and pour in your broth. And I use vegetable broth, of course, no meat. And I'm going to go ahead and place the cover on it, guys, and let it do its thing. So as you can see, the fresh green beans are done. You can tell by the color. The potatoes are soft and everything is good. It doesn't take long. They're so much more healthier for you, and you know what's in the you know what your ingredients are. So I love me some parsley, so I add a little parsley to my fresh green beans and just kind of get it stirred up, guys. You can add whatever you like to add. Some people like to add onions to their fresh green beans. You can do that also. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.